Good day there. In this video we'll be taking the scrap 2x4 and seeing if we can machine it into a custom gravity tool holder. So without further ado, let's get started. For this project we'll need two pieces of stock off this scrap, one for the body at 70mm long and the other for the toothed wheel at 15mm long. Starting with the body, we're going to mount it and zero the machine. And since our stock has a little bit of a curve to it, I'm going to start with the facing operation just to flatten the top. Once completed, our next operation will be to cut out some teeth. I meant the third operation. We'll get it on the third operation. But if you want this new clamp I had to make and the other parts in this video, I'll put a link in the description below. And as we can see, third time is always the charm. And here's a close-up of the body of our project. For our last part, we'll take the 15mm stock that we cut and put it on the machine, zeroing it. Similar to the body, we'll start with a facing operation. And finally, we'll finish by cutting out the tooth. And here's a close-up of the tooth. It looks like we will have to do a little bit of sanding since it teared away at the end without tabs. Putting it together, we're almost ready to go, but just to avoid cracking, I'm going to pre-drill out the hole that I'm going to use to mount to the wall. Putting it all together on the wall, we can see that the tool holder automatically adjusts to the width of the tool and uses gravity to lock it in place. One flaw I did discover with the design is that if you were to jam the tool in, you could probably pop the tooth out quite easily. But overall, I still thought it was a nifty little project to make. And with that said, thank you for watching.